In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down lists in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. A drop-down list is a simple but very useful feature that lets people choose from a predefined set of options instead of typing everything manually. This helps keep your data consistent and reduces mistakes caused by spelling differences or uneven formatting. It's especially helpful for things like task status, department names, priorities, or any entry that gets repeated often. To understand the example, imagine you have a worksheet with employee information, including columns for employee, department, and status. In a setup like this, the status column is a great place to use a drop-down list, because the same few values are likely to appear again and again, such as completed, in progress, and pending. Now select the cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. For example, if your status entries will go in column C, you might highlight cells C2 through C10. Choosing the full range in advance saves time, because Excel will apply the same drop-down settings to every selected cell at once. With those cells selected, go to the Data tab in Excel. In that tab, click Data Validation. This opens the settings used to control what can be entered into the selected cells. In the Allow menu, choose List. This tells Excel that the cell should only accept values from a list of approved options. Next, click into the source box and type the list exactly as needed, separating each item with a comma. In this example, enter completed, in progress, pending. Once that's done, click OK. After you confirm, click any cell in the selected range. You should now see a drop-down arrow appear in the cell. When you click that arrow, Excel will display the list of available choices, and you can select the option you want instead of typing it manually. In your worksheet, that means each status cell can now be filled quickly and consistently with values like completed, pending, or in progress. As an extra tip, if your drop-down list is longer, it's often better to place the options somewhere else in the worksheet, such as cells E2 through E4, and then use that range as the source in data validation by entering $E$2 $E$4. This makes the list much easier to update later, since you can change the source cells without retyping the entire list. And that's how to create drop-down lists in Excel.